How to change phone number in Whizz. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily change your phone number in Whizz using your phone. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Whizz app. Then here in your Whizz app you have to tap on your profile in the top left corner. Then here in your profile you will see here your personal account, and besides it you will see here edit. You have to tap on the edit. Once you're in your edit your personal details, you have to scroll down. Here you will see telephone number, so you have to tap on your phone number and then clear this number, and here enter the number to which you want to change. So after you enter the phone number, tap on save. Then Whizz will send you a email, so you have to go to your email and open the Whizz mail that Whizz sent you. The email will look like this. You have asked us to change your Whizz phone number, and in the email you will see change your number, so you have to tap on this. So you will be taken to this web page here, change your phone number. So before you can register your new phone number, a few things are needed. You have to take a selfie of you holding your passport or ID, and you have to have access to your new phone number. So take a picture, take a clear picture holding your passport and ID, and you should have access to your new phone number, and then you have to tap on continue. And here you have to take a picture like this shown here. Your face should be clear and also your ID should be clear. Take in a good light, details are in focus. This is an example of good selfie, and this is an example of bad selfie. And then here you have to tap on go to selfie upload. So tap on selfie upload, then here tap on select file, and your phone's gallery will open. So select your picture and then tap on submit. And if everything is clear, like your full face ID is clear, your name, last name on your ID is clear, then your phone number will get changed. So this is how you can change your phone number in Whizz. Thanks for watching.